My name's Claire Varela and I'm here to demo you my ReadMe generator. So right now we are on my desktop. We are going to go ahead and open up Git Bash. We're going to go ahead and verify where we are. We're going to go over to my desktop because that's where my folder is. And then we're going to go into that folder. Make sure we spell it right. And then I just want to do an ls to see what we have here in the folder. So I did remove everything so we could set it up like I haven't set anything up yet. So we're gonna go ahead and jump over. I already have the VS Code open, so we're gonna go ahead and see that it requires obviously we're going to need Node, so I don't have a JSON file yet, so we're going to go ahead and set that up. So we're going to go ahead and do a npm, where is it, node, no, it's an npm init -y to get everything started. And that'll go ahead and make your package JSON. So what we want to do now is, since I don't have it set up to tell you what the requirements are, we're going to go ahead and just install it here. So we're going to do an npm install, and we're going to go ahead and get Inquirer. Make sure I spelled it right. Inquirer. We'll find out. So I went ahead and did that, and then now you can see that we have a package.json lock installed. We do have our package JSON. It does say now that we have a dependency of Inquirer. So whenever someone does download this file, the package already tells you that it has a dependency of Inquirer. And what you could do is just do a npm install, and it already knows to add that Inquirer to it. So it's fine. We already have it set up. So for this, we want to go ahead and run Node to check out this index. So we do have our constants, we do have our questions, and we just have a function of generate.md, generate markdown, well, with return with a very long string, and then all that string is going to be filled with all the data and stuff we find. And then this goes ahead and gets everything going for us. So let's go over to our terminal, and we are going to do a node index.js. Go ahead and run that, and it's going to go ahead and give us our first prompt. So what is the title or name of your project? We can say it's ReadMe. We just want to ReadMe. Author's name, that's me, Claire Varela. Okay, GitHub username, mine is GCV21. Go ahead, email address, use my junk email, Yahoo, no one uses it, but I do. Write a description about the project. So, project generates a ReadMe markdown document using Node short. So we do have a couple options for this. For a license, we have an MIT, Apache. I just go with the generic of MIT. Install. What command should we run to install dependencies? So as long as you have all the files in the folder that include the JSON, it's just going to be in npm install. And then is there any details the user needs to in regard to the installation? If there are, no, let's go back. Node.js to be installed. Your computer. If the project folder does not have a JSON, a package JSON, or package dash lock dot JSON file. Please install by we want npm, or it's yeah, we'll just leave like that for now for the demo. Please install. All right, so we need, go next. We don't have any tests, so there are no tests at this time. What does the user need to know about using the repo? Please write a detailed summary. So we're going to skip this because I wrote something pretty long up there. Okay, skip that. What does your user need to know about contributing to the repo? There no contributions at this time. Please provide an image URL. So what I have here is a lot of our repos require an image. You know, typically I'd have one ready, but I don't have one ready right now, so we're just gonna do, you know, just say image. Link for our GitHub repository. So I do know mine, so it is https / let's see, github.com / github.com /1 at make me and the live URL link I don't remember, I know it's a .io, but we're gonna go ahead and skip that. Just type out skip. So it says we successfully generated and wrote to our generated README, and as you see on the left, it is up there in our files. So if we go ahead and look at that, we can check it out in all its splendor. I did like the purple. So we have the license and the short description. We do have the page image that would populate here if I had an actual address for that. So we do have table contents, and it will kind of, move us around. So, we have our installation notes, npm install. We have the summary, and then the links that asked about the repo, are here and here. And our license, it's under MIT. Contributing, no contributions. Tests, there are no tests this time. Questions, if you have any, you can contact me at GitHub, and it should take me to GitHub. Cool, takes us to GitHub. All right, that's my demo.